Hey Taurus, welcome back to Distilled Tarot. My name's Shannon. I'll be guiding you through today's reading. This is going to be our daily reading for Sunday, January 31st. Let's see what's going on with Taurus. At the heart of your reading, we have the Eight of Wands and the Emperor. Someone in control has a lot of momentum behind them. A lot of communication happening. Oh, this is your energy for sure. Very strong-willed, very self-assured, very certain. Getting the sense of sending out a lot of communication that has to do with like something that you're in control of. It's possible that this is like asserting control. The communication could be like, hey, I'm the one in charge of this, and here's why, and here's what I'm doing about it. What's the challenge here for Taurus? Is there a challenge for Taurus? Or is their authority unchallenged? Queen of Cups. Are you a softie, Taurus? You have a soft spot for someone. You do, don't you? The only person that can stop you in your tracks. There's someone who you feel like you're meant to be stern with, and every time you look at them, you just melt. What is Taurus focused on? What has Taurus's attention in this situation? Page of Pentacles. I feel like a lot of you must cross-watch Aries and Taurus both, because there's similar messages that have come through, but from slightly different perspectives. This is from a more emotional perspective. So if you're like an Aries Sun, Taurus Moon, I'm definitely reading for you, because this feels like a fatherly energy or a parent energy toward a child who really, really wants to do something and learn more about something, is very interested about something, and you're trying to convince them, trying to show them why they should do things your way, why it's wiser, why it's more established, and it's following the rules that you've set forth, and yet you have a total soft spot for them. They're your weakness. It's like, in your eyes, they can do no wrong. You just love them so much, so unconditionally. Show me the recent past. Knight of Cups reversed. I'm reading disappointment off of this. I feel like you expressed disappointment. The energy of the environment, we have the Queen of Swords reversed. You don't have all of the information here. You are either by choice or because it hasn't yet come to light, not seeing the full measure of the truth here. There's more to it that you could benefit from understanding, allowing yourself to see or being willing to see the deeper truth of this. That's what Spirit is trying to encourage to happen here. Show me the near future. How does this story unfold for Taurus? The Fool, the Sun in reverse. Someone is going to take a leap of faith toward their future, toward their independent future. They see something on the horizon and they need to go after it. The opportunity at the bottom of the deck that this person is studying, this person is so curious about, so interested, so lit up about, it's going to be their inspiration to go on a quest, to go on an adventure. And that's the way that they're seeing it. You are seeing it as they're taking a big risk. And you're not wrong. There is risk involved. Let's see your surprise energy. What is going to influence the situation that Taurus doesn't see coming? Four of Pentacles. Yeah, these cards came out in Aries reading as well. In the last reading, you guys might want to watch Aries if you haven't yet, because I feel like these stories are very connected. Yeah, with the Two of Wands at the bottom of the deck. This was also in the last spread. A lot of synchronicities going on. Your surprise energy here is that you're not going to be destabilized in the way that you might be afraid of. Or if this is representing a child or someone over whom you have authority, they still consider you or home, their home base. You've provided a solid foundation upon which they can launch themselves off a cliff, metaphorically speaking. But it's like, it's the boomerang energy. Like, they're going to launch themselves off like a boomerang, but they know where home is. They'll come back, or they'll be tethered to you. You'll still be able to be a support to them. Your hopes and fears, we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Devil in reverse. There's a lot of dangers out there in the scary, big, bad world. Will this adventurer be able to surmount the difficulties that they face? Or is this time for them to launch into a whole new chapter, a whole new story, where they can explore their own good fortune? I think you know the answer to that question. Let's see the end result. How does this story resolve for Taurus? King of Pentacles reversed. Hermit. The King stands alone. I'm getting an empty nester vibe off of this. There's a little bit of like clinging to the person that wants to go off on this new adventure, and the feeling that I'm getting off of the way this ends up is, well, here I am, the king of my castle, and I have no subjects. I'm solitary. I'm still in charge. But it's a little bit of like, okay, well, what's the kingdom that I rule over now? Let's get you some advice. How can Taurus work with these energies for their highest and best good? Five of Swords reversed, Seven of Pentacles. You need to continue to be a support to them and not argue. The arguing is only going to drive a wedge between you, and you have an opportunity here to be, let's see. It's more than just a support to them. It's like nurturing them, feeding their future, investing in their future. Yeah. If they're looking for monetary support, then that's the advice here. If they want money to go explore, to go to school for something, it's saying to not argue and to invest. It's going to yield reward. It is an investment that will pay off. Taurus, I hope this helped. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow.